AB represents a girl 1.2 meters tall. AX or AM is the ground level. BN is the horizontal drawn in level with the eye of the girl. There is a balloon moving with the wind. C and D are the two positions of the balloon. The girl looks at the balloon at C and measures its angle of elevation, and she finds that it is 60 degrees. So how do we mark that? BN is the horizontal, BC is the line of sight, BC is the line of sight. The angle between the line of sight and the horizontal is the angle of elevation, which is 60 degrees. Now let's complete this triangle. Let's draw CL perpendicular to AX or AM. So now we have this triangle BPC, in which this angle PBC measures 60 degrees. The balloon takes a new position. Its new position is D. Now how do we know that the balloon moves away from the girl? That's because the elevation reduces to 30 degrees. The elevation of the balloon at C is 60 degrees, and when the balloon takes the new position D, the elevation is 30 degrees. This means the balloon has gone away from the girl. If the balloon moves towards the girl, then the angle of elevation should have increased. Since the angle of elevation reduces from 60 to 30 degrees, it means the balloon has moved away from the girl, which is why C is the initial or the first position of the balloon and D is the second position of the balloon. From B, the girl does not change her position. The girl remains in the same place, and from there she again measures the angle of elevation of the balloon, of the same balloon, which is at the new position D. So BD is the line of sight, BN is the horizontal, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So this is the line of sight, this is the horizontal. The angle between the horizontal and the line of sight is the angle of elevation, which is 30 degrees. So now let's draw DM perpendicular to AX and complete this triangle. Let this point be N. So we have this triangle BND, in which angle NBD, this angle is 30 degrees. It's given that the balloon is flying at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. So which means CL is 88.2 meters or DM is 88.2 meters, not CP. This is the point on the ground. L and M are the points on the ground. So CL, this is the balloon, this is the point on the ground. This is the perpendicular height of the balloon from the ground. So CL is equal to DM is equal to 88.2 meters. But we know that AB is 1.2, the height of the girl is 1.2, which means PL is 1.2, NM is 1.2. So 88.2 minus 1.2. See here, 88.2 minus 1.2, correct, is 87, which is CP or DN. So we found that CP or DN is equal to 87 meters. 88.2 minus 1.2, 87 meters. Now the question is to find the distance traveled by the balloon in the air. So CD is the horizontal distance covered by the balloon in the air, and we need to find the length of this line segment CD, or the distance covered by the balloon in the air. Simple. To find CD, we need to find PN, because PN is equal to CD. So let's find PN. We have two right triangles, BPC and BND. So we could take up any triangle first. When we take up triangle BPC, we have this angle 60 degrees and PC, which measures 87 meters. So using tan 60 degrees, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. We know that tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to opposite 87 by adjacent PB. So with this we can find PB. Next, in right triangle BDN, here we have 30 degrees. Ignore this. So tan 30 degrees will be opposite DN by adjacent BN. And how much is DN? 87 meters. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by BN. So with this we can find the length of BN. Earlier we found BP. Now we found BN, because in both the triangles we had two information. We have one angle and the length of one side. So it was easy to find the other side using the trigonometric ratio. So from the first triangle we found BP. From the second triangle we found BN. Now BN minus BP will give us the length of PN, which is nothing but CD. And that's the distance covered by the balloon in the air. Let's see how it's worked here. See here. Take up the triangle here. This triangle BPC. So here it is cot 60. You know that. You can use cot or tan. So cot 60 will be adjacent by opposite. BP by CP. The value of cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So we have BP by 87, because this is 87. BP by 87 is equal to 1 by root 3. On working this, we find BP is equal to 87 by root 3. On rationalizing the denominator, we have BP is equal to 29 root 3 meters. So that's simple to understand, right? Because in this triangle, as we've discussed, we know one angle is 60 degrees and one side which is 87 meters. So it's very easy to find BP using cot or tan. And that's what we found here. And now the next triangle, BND. Again, we could use tan 30 degrees or cot 30 degrees. So here cot 30 degrees is equal to adjacent by opposite, BN by DN. Alright. The value of cot 30 is root 3. So we have root 3 is equal to, what is BN? So here it is split as BP plus PN. We could do that also. What is BN? BP plus PN. See here, BP plus PN. By, see, they've used, instead of DN, they've used CP. You could have it as DN itself, and we know DN is 87 meters, correct? We know DN is 87 meters. So you could just have this DN and substitute 87 for DN, because we know DN is 87. Here they've just used DN, they've substituted DN with CP, and CP is 87 meters. So they've used that later. So here BP we just found, BP is 29 root 3 plus again PN. PN is nothing but CD. They have replaced. PN is nothing but CD. PN is nothing but CD. That's what you see here. By CP, which is 87. is equal to root 3. We are just working with the trigonometric ratio. Cot 30 is equal to bn by dn. That's it. See, you can see cot 30 here, root 3. And bn, what is bn? Where is bn? I'm just repeating it. What is bn? bp plus pn. Correct? And pn is nothing but cd. So bp plus cd. That's what you see here. bp plus cd. And since bp is a 29 root 3, 29 root 3 plus cd by cp, which is 87, is equal to root 3. So simply work this, cross multiply, work this and find the value of cd. Find the value of cd. So you get it straight away here, 58 root 3. So CD is the distance covered by the balloon in the air. So on working the equation, we find CD is 58 root 3 meters. So the distance traveled by the balloon in the air is 58 root 3 meters.